There was a talk about IOs being used and being underutilized. You know why they're being underutilized? Because you didn't get to use them enough in training and only use them on dummies and mannequins. So the crazy part I always tell people this is, please, if the patient has no pulse, a central line cordis versus an IO, if people in the military could be hanging in the midair on a helicopter after being exposed to an explosive, AID, right? Shrapnel hit everywhere, pneumothoraxes, injury to the neck, right? And they can still do an IO, cutting through the clothes and doing IO in one arm versus the other. One or two, there's not one rule that says you can't put one versus the other, but guess what? You can put it in and do almost anything through it. Now the key is this, big key. For some reason, everyone wants to prep a thoracotomy or a chest tube with their arm up here. That's spoiled. I'm just telling you straight up. You can still do a chest tube here. You can still do it with the arm down. It may not be the neatest, but if you needed to, save that line until you have a replaceable line. If that line is giving blood, right? Pressors, antibiotics, whatever, sepsis, trauma, whatever. Save that line before you have another line. Once you have a better line or a more secure line, then give up and pull it out.